Ito na yung third harvest. So, harvest na tayo, guys. Ayan, lahat yan, oh. Alhamdulillah. Ayan siya, guys. Harvestin na natin. So clean na, ano. Kamatis, tomato. Very clean. Ito yung big one. This is no fertilizer, just water. Ayan siya, guys. Marami pa dyan, yan. So, marami pa rin green. So, pang third harvest na ito, guys. Ayan. So, kunin lang. Ito yung pinaka-red. Ayan. Ramadan Kareem. Ayan yung blaze. Ayan. This is my small garden only. A lot of fruit. My tomato. So, yan na yung na-harvest natin, guys. So, marami pa ring red. Ayan. Ayan. I'm so blessed. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ang daming bunga. Ayan siya, guys. So, ito na yung harvest natin. This is one so big. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video.